My queen. My queen. Are you in? My queen. My queen.
What is that?
I brought the bag of dates.
But you said you would get me 2 bags. So why did you come with a bag?
No, you the one that said you wanted a bag.
But you promised 2 bags. I want 2 bags.
What is it? I thank the gods for meeting you here. I went to your house, I found no one.
What is the problem? You sound like all is not well.
Yes, all is not well. Mweze, please, I need you to lend me some money, please. Please.
Are you out of your mind?
No.
Just yesterday I gave you some money.
Please, I need this money, please. Oh, all right, can you buy my land?
Odinka. Now I know you under a spell.
Odinka, who is doing this to you? Nobody is doing anything to me. I am building a better tomorrow for myself. Okay, Mweze, see, I am very very close to royalty. And I need this help. Because
I am not interested in buying any land. Go and look for someone else to buy it.
What is it? Hi. What is it?
Oh,
I greet you. I was even going to your house.
To my house?
Yeah.
I'm going to Amana for important meeting.
Please, let me go straight to the point. I want to sell that my land at Eba. Yes.
Let's talk about it tomorrow now.
No, I have very important things to sort out with money.
But you know, there's no way I can talk about buying land without having 1 or 2 people as witnesses.
Don't bother yourself. Just give me 3 heads of cows and you'll be fine.
3 heads of cows?
Yes.
For that land?
Yeah.
Let's go to my house.
Yeah.
There would I go. Hey. Deba. Oh. 3 heads.
My queen, you're not talking to me. Is everything all right? You're crying. My queen, please talk to me. What is the matter?
I want to be left alone.
Okay, I brought the bag of beads. I bought the best from Onimo.
Keep it aside.
Okay. My queen, do you want any other thing? Eh? Is there anything you want?
You can go.
Eh? Do you want me to do anything for you?
Please just go. Please. I still love you. I still love you.
No. I cannot go back without my wife.
Something is wrong with her. I hope she's not up to something. I think I should go back and ask her when I'm going to pack in with her.
Go home with this guilt in my heart. Please forgive me and set me free.
Hello. Hey, Queen. What is going on here? Who is this crying man on crown? Eh?
Leave us, Odinka.
What?
She said leave us and get up now.
Or she gonna
get up now.
Wait. I have told you to go and mourn our child. When you return, I may forgive you. If you say one more word again, I will not forgive you.
Welcome. I do not want to see you in that house again.
And who are you to talk to me like that in my land?
One more word from you, I will order my guards to beat you up. Out of my sight! Get out!
Is she trying to bring another man into the scene just to scare me? Who could that man be? A prince? I have to act very fast. Very fast.
I am going to ask you for the last time. Who is the father of that blind child?
You don't trust me. Why would I sleep with another man when my husband is well and able?
Having a blind child means you've committed an abomination. The flirt in you makes me blind to see your beauty. From today, you cease to be my wife. Guards!
I am innocent. I am innocent.
Ubene, for committing adultery in the loyal household, we send you into exile, and nothing will bind you with us until after 7 years. Then we will know what to do with you.
Indeed, the gods have never been asleep. They have never been asleep.
My queen. My queen, what is going on? Eh? Are you trying to put another man to test? Please don't make me jealous. I promise I will do anything to make you happy.
I have told you that I want to be left alone. Do you want to get me upset?
No, why must I get you upset? No.
Then go home. Just go home and let me be, please.
My queen, I should go.
Go home. Now!
Okay. I'll go home. I hope I will not lose it all. Ubene, I do not want to lose you. Don't be scared. My queen, I cannot sleep. I cannot sleep.
You do not come into my heart without knocking.
I am so sorry. I do not know what I am doing anymore. I feel I am losing you.
Are we on any kind of oath?
I have provided all you asked of me. I even sold my father's land to make sure I buy 2 bags of beads for you. Yes.
What a wise man you are. Please, go home. I want to sleep.
Please, can I sleep on the floor?
You cannot sleep on the floor. Go home. Get out.
Hey, why are you doing this to me? If you do this to me, I will kill myself. Oh. I will kill myself for you.
Now I know you are a coward. If you do not leave here this minute, I will shout.
Can I go back tomorrow?
If you like.
Tomorrow I am going to get big envelope for you. Envelope breast.
I have warned you to go home. I will shout and tell the whole village that you want it.
My Lolo, I declared one day morning for our son. I thought it wise you there. My queen, let us go home. After his burial, we will talk about your father. Please, my queen.
Ubena chalugo yokoko asampedeni bolabo omalecha Fobona, Kibulunkemo, Asambeteni Bolamo, Omaleja, Boga Bunu Bena, Rumu Beno, Bimu Benu Bene, Asambeteni Bolamo, Omaleja, Ibanya Komnobi, Kamanya Siapanisi, Bikone Bam, Welomo, Anapona Welomo. Welumo, Ibanya Komnobi, Kamanya Siapanisi, Bikone Bam, Welumo, Anapona Welumo, Ibanya Komnobi, Kamanya Siapanisi, Bikone Bam, Welumo, Anapona Welumo.
It's like you put Odinka behind you.
Yeah. I just want to be happy.
Who gave you this?
Someone gave it to me.
Who could that be that gave this to you? Is it what I'm thinking? Listen. It is too early to give your heart to another man.
I just want to be happy. I cannot keep swimming in the river of my own tears all night.
I know.
I deserve to be happy.
I know. I understand. But what is right is right. Did you hear me? We must always do the right thing. Right?
Yes, I
My queen! My queen! Come, I have something for you. My queen. I brought something for you.
What is this?
This is the breast of an antelope. Alene.
Wonderful ngugu.
Izigbo alene kalaka. Izigbo alene. Oke ngugu.
Young man, have I not warned you never to come to this place?
I'm not here to see you. My guards! Please! Guards!
Your Highness. What is this?
You want to intimidate me in my land?
Teach him what we do to useless men.
Go get him! Go get him! Go get him!
Odi!
Odinka, what is after you? What is after you, Odinka?
My head, oh! My head, oh! My head, oh! Hey! My head! Hey! My head! My head, oh! Hey! Hey! My head! Hey! 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 No! Hey! Hey!
Odinka, what happened to your head?
I'm about to die, oh.
You have not said anything. What is about to die?
This world is this world is too good and too terrible.
Listen, did you fight with anybody? Did you?
What is happening here?
He has not told me.
Where's it?
Yes.
Your love asked me to tell you that she's waiting for you in your house.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to get snuff for my father.
Yes. Okay. Hodinka, since you don't want to tell me what is wrong with you, I'm going to my house. If you're ready, come and talk to me at home, eh?
You want to see me off?
Let's go.
What is that? How could you take a decision like that? How could you take a decision without my consent? That land belongs to the family. It's our family land. How could you take a decision?
Is that why you are calling me now? Is that why you stopped me?
Is that not enough? Oh, do you expect me to call Muna meeting, our family meeting, before you understand that what you have done is wrong?
Who's here? Who's here? How many times did I call you now? I cannot stand here and watch you insult me. Enough of that nonsense.
Obo.
Obondebe.
Okay. Odimma. Odimma.
Don't call me back.
Nzago.
Don't call me again.
Nzago.
I'll get it come back.
Come out here. Come out!
Are you trailing me?
No.
When you talk to me, you bow your head. I am a king.
No, Your Highness. I'm not trailing you.
Good. Help us with this bag.
Sorry.
You can go back now.
Eh? Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Wait. Do you think he's not serious?
Honestly.
It is.
This is funny.
No, but it's more than funny. But it's good to be wise.
Honestly.
At the end of the day, the tortoise outwitted the goats.
But wait, let me ask. Why must the tortoise always outwit the other animals? Why?
Wisdom. Yes, it is.
Where's that? Hey. Where's that? You need to wake me up from this dream. You need to wake me up.
Odenka, what is it? You have been behaving like someone whose head is in the evil forest. What is your problem? Calm down and talk to me.
I want to die.
In fact,
I am dead.
And you're still talking?
My land is gone. My wife is gone. My beads are gone. Everything. I have nothing.
What is beads? Woman, land. I don't understand you.
I have lost everything.
My love. I will be on my way now. I'll come back later in the evening and spend the night with you.
All right, my wife.
See you.
Take care. What is it?
What's it?
My wife.
Did I just hear you call her? Your wife?
My wife. Is anything wrong with it?
Hey. What's it?
Yes. See, you've been busy chasing what I don't know. Ure and I are getting married on Ekede.
No!
What is no?
Yeah, no!
She has accepted to marry me. What is it? Please, allow me to do something.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have.
We are the woman. We are the woman. You're not saying anything. Listen. I have a meeting to attend to.
I am ashamed of myself.
I know you are ashamed of yourself. Indeed, you are ashamed of yourself. Odinka, why are you here? Talk to me. I don't have the whole time in the whole world to waste in silence. I have a meeting to attend to.
I want to start by apologizing. I have failed you. I apologize.
Hit the nail on the head.
I want you to help me and talk to my wife. I want her back.
Wife? Wife? Did you get another wife? Because the last time I checked, you never had a wife.
Please. I want her back.
Yeah. Odinka, if you know the way you sent your wife away, go and bring her back.
Please. You have to do anything in your power to help me. Please, talk to her for me. I heard she's getting married to Wednesday on Ekede. Dey, please, I beg you. Oh?
I have meeting to attend to. Excuse me.
Hey,
You see, let me tell you one thing. I don't know where you got this stupidity from. Your father was not stupid. Odinka, go and get your wife the way you sent her away. Excuse me, I have a meeting to attend to.
Dey, please. Dey, please. Please do this for me. Please, Dad, I beg you. Dey.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone. Baji kuti, fair. Baji kuti, one day maybe fair. You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
They do say greetings.
Who is it?
They.
Wakata. I greet you. You are a man. In fact, can I tell you one thing? You made the right choice. The gods of our land will bless your union with Ure.
You say...
Don't worry,
They do say, go well.
Oh, it's well, my dear. Thank you. Thank you.
So you're doing this to me? You want to take my wife away from me?
Enya Mechon, well, shut up. Who is your wife? Ure is not your wife.
She's my wife. And I've not collected the dowry I paid on her head. Yes.
Look at how you're fooling yourself. The mother has returned the bride price to the council of elders. You're here making noise. That reminds me, please, tomorrow morning I'm coming to your house. You give me back that money you borrowed from me. I want to use it to prepare for my marriage. Ure is getting ready for me.
You're a very wicked man. The gods must punish you.
Look, the God will punish you. Me, from my own money. Adinka. I want my money. I have come to collect my money.
I don't have any money to give to you now.
Adinka. If I come back here tomorrow and you don't give me my money, I will take all your goats. All of them, I will take them. Don't say I didn't tell you. Fine. Let me wait. I will take you to.
What have I done to myself?
Winnie.
What does the wise man want from me?
Winnie, please. I need you to help me. It breaks my heart seeing my wife with another man. My best friend for that matter.
And what do you want me to do about that?
Please, help me talk to her. Tell her I'm sorry.
Why don't you go talk to her yourself?
I mean, I cannot face her.
I'll try.
Yeah. Hey. Thank you.
You can go now.
Yeah. I should start going.
You can go.
Okay. Yeah. Is that Ogi?
I will try.
No, I mean Ogi. Is that Ogi?
Oh, Egusi.
You want me to help you?
Don't worry. I'll try. I'll talk to her.
I'm going.
I'll talk to her now.
This is beautiful, Winnie. I love it.
And that is why I brought it to you, because I knew you're going to like it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I almost forgot. Odinka came to our house and asked me to beg you to forgive him.
When he was begging you, was he crying?
He was almost crying.
My dear friend, please, I need more beats. I need to look extremely
turning on that day.
I trust you.
When I step out to meet my beloved husband Wednesday,
As someone,
I need to look very beautiful.
Oh my.
So I need beads.
Oh, I know.
And guess what?
What?
I will walk majestically to him. Whilst I walk like this.
Adam, oh mama, Sarah. Hey, why Mara? It's okay.
Oh, Messia.
You're very beautiful, my dear.
Thank you, my friend.
Let me start going.
Let me see you all. My dear, please let me keep my beautiful clothes inside before someone steals it.
Please do that, my dear.
Let me see you off.
Come and see me off, my dear. I don't want you to have pity on him when you see him. He deserves what he's seeing.
You're right. I'll do as you've directed.
No.
You came back early today?
Yes. Because I sold everything. See what I bought.
That was because I touched your goods before you left.
You're right. I have to start going. Ready?
You should be long.
Yes.
Go away.
Take care. I'm happy you sold everything today.
And I bought these big tubers of yam for us.
I'll make you feel well.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
I will, Mama.
What is he doing here?
Yeah, I don't know.
My wife.
Which wife?
Please forgive me. My wife, please. Please help me to beg her. My heart is full of guilt. My face full of shame. Please.
You've not heard? Okay, in case you have not heard, let me tell you. She's going to get married to another man in the next Eke market day.
Right.
And we have returned the bride price we paid on her head.
Your
people do not tell you.
Please, I'm begging you. Please forgive me. Please.
Hooray! Please meet me at the back. Oh, one.
Yes, Nne.
Please.
Don't!
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
What is it? What is it?
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know
What is it?
Please. Have you brought fights to my doorstep?
Mweze, I cannot fight you. Please do not do this to me. Please, I beg you. You know how much I love my wife.
I do not know, tell me.
Mweze, I cannot do this to you. Okay, I will sell my father's land to repay you. But please, do not continue with this marriage on Ekede. Please.
Nothing will stop me from getting married to Ore on Ekede. The only thing that will stop me from getting married to Ure on Ekede is death.
Mweze, you did not say this.
Are you deaf? Please, go and get me my money.
Where's it? There. I have accepted that I was so stupid. Very, very stupid. But I'm ready to make amends.
What do you want me to do? Go and tell Uri not to marry Mweze? Mbano, I can't do that. Listen. Take my advice. Go and look for another woman and marry.
Dey, I'm going to kill myself. Oh.
You kill yourself, they will throw your dead body into the evil forest. So it's just like that. You go kill yourself.
Dey, please. I know this is the only time I've made a big mistake. And the only time I've offended you and disobeyed you. Please, help me bring back my wife. Biko.
Odinka.
Yeah.
Odinka.
Nam.
I want to ask you a question. When did all this madness start?
They lost. Lost. Lost.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, my love.
And you didn't bother telling your wife to wish you a good luck today?
I'm already late. I'll take the good luck next time.
Greetings.
Greetings, beautiful one.
Is this Eleke land?
No. Eleke is this way.
Thank you.
She's so beautiful. She must be a goddess. If she's not a goddess, she must be a daughter of a goddess. Dinka, you're a fool. Why did you talk to her? Dinka, you're a man. I can show you the way to Eleke. It's not too far from my kindred.
Thank you. How far is it from here?
It's not far. It's very close to the village square. I can take you there.
Okay. All right. Let's go.
But you've not told me where you're coming from.
Where I come from? does not matter. What matters is where I'm going to.
Okay, where are you going to?
Do you care to know?
Yes, I care to know because I can't imagine a beautiful maiden like you walking on this road alone. It's not good. I know you must have been coming from a long journey.
Yes. I am looking for a woman I have never seen before.
What is her name?
Don't worry. My mother told me that her house is after the house of Etiko by the palm wine tapper.
Oh, I know only one Muri in this clan that sells snuff.
Yes! Yes! She's my mother's sister.
She is or she was?
She is. Why do you sound so unsure? She's not going to welcome me.
Are you sure you know who you're looking for?
I am not a child. I know who I'm looking for. Don't worry. My mother's sister.
Muri that I know is you.
Lead me to her house.
Okay. Let me help you with your bag.
It's not heavy.
I can't allow you to carry it.
Take a little rest.
Her house is not far from here.
I cannot continue again.
Okay. You can take your time and rest.
I have been going from clan to clan, looking for a good man that would fill the space in my heart. This is the third clan. And I'm yet to find that man.
Beautiful one, I don't understand you. Have you come to this land to look for a man or to see your mother's sister?
I am here for both. To see Danwore and to find a good man. I will return to my clan with the man. Share my father's wealth with him. And if possible, make him the next king, so that my father's throne will not be taken by our enemy.
You princess then?
Yes, I am. The princess of Eluani.
Then, I could be the man you're looking for. Take me with you and make me your king.
You have to prove that you're worthy of being my man first.
I am worthy. I'm a good man. But wait, I've not heard of those places you're calling. I've not been there before.
There is always a first time. Eluani is after Ebele. Ebele is after Amiyi. And Amiyi is close to Ezokoro Stream.
I have never been to those villages before. But please don't go. I am here. I will take care of you. Yes.
Let's go.
This is the house of Nwori. She died a few months ago.
That Nwori is dead? Yes. How? What happened? How did it happen? Why didn't you tell me?
I was about telling you. She was bitten by a snake right inside her hut.
I never set my eyes on her.
I advise you stay back and meet one or two of her relatives so you can spend the night with them and go back tomorrow.
No. I will stay here and mourn her. She sent words to me when she was sick to come and see her, but I was busy learning Atilogo dance for our Itobo festival.
I'm sorry about her death. I have to go and check my trap. Let me go before someone takes my catch.
Thank you. Please, will you come back and see me?
Yes. I will come back and keep you company.
Thank you. This is not happening. I am sorry.
Your apology will not bring back my wife. Besides, you don't need to apologize. I was just enticed with the zeal of becoming the king.
Odinka, any man could have fallen for that. I will send one of my guards with your bags of beads tomorrow.
My wife is getting married with my best friend on Ekede.